Alright guys, got my muffler fixed. It's got a lot more power behind it now. It's got a lot more power. Yeah, it's not as sluggish anymore, and driving it and actually getting on it, it's not sluggish at all. So I'm gonna actually take y'all up underneath here real quick. So that's what I told him to put in, is I told him to put in a pipe, weld it in, take all that other bull crap out of it, weld in a piece, put that flange there. I got the other flange right there. So, a lot better. I'm happy. So if I ever have to pull the tank again on it, all I got to do is unbolt it, slide it out, and call it a day. But hopefully I won't have to do that for a long time. But as far as the running of it, the driving of it, it runs 100 times better than what it did. So anyway guys, I'm off here.